Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cream egg blondies. Let's begin. To start, grab yourself a mixing bowl that is heat proof and place your butter and white chocolate into it. Then place over a saucepan of simmering water and allow the two to melt and mix until they are well combined, looking a lot like this. You can then go ahead and add in your sugar straight away and then just whisk it until it's mixed in. It may make the mixture a little granular, but don't worry, this will alter as we go through the recipe. Then you can go ahead and add in the plain flour and salt and just mix them in until they're fully incorporated. It will make the mixture go from liquid to much more of a dough looking consistency, but don't worry, again, this will alter as we work through the recipe. And then you can go ahead and add in your eggs and vanilla and just whisk them in until they're fully combined. You'll notice that the consistency does change and becomes looser. Then you can go ahead and grab yourself an 8-inch cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and pour your blondie batter directly into it, and you may just need to level it out a little bit using your spatula or whatever you've got. You can then take some white chocolate spread and dollop tablespoons randomly on top of the batter, and then you'll want to repeat the same with the orange white chocolate spread which has just been dyed with some food paste. And then just dollop it randomly, and then take yourself a knife and just swirl it all around so you've got a swirly pattern. Try and get the colour as spread out as possible. Once there's around 10 minutes left on the baking time, you will want to take your blondies out of the oven and place on top your cream eggs. You may need to just push them down a little bit as the blondies will be pretty well baked, but just press them in gently. Again, on mine you'll get roughly 2 pieces of cream egg per slice, but you can add more or add less, whichever works best for you. You will then want to bake these for the remaining 10 minutes and then take them out of the oven and allow them to cool completely, and then place them into the fridge overnight, and it will make them denser and fudgier, which is what you want with a perfect blondie or brownie. Then you can take them out of the tin and start to cut them up. So I cut mine into 8 portions, but you could always get 16 if you cut them in half again. But again, how you cut them up is completely up to you. So here is what the blondies look like once they're fully baked and cooled. You get 2 pieces of cream egg, a generous amount of the white chocolate spread, dyed orange and the normal, and you get this dense blondie white chocolate flavour which is really nice, and as you can tell you get these swirls of the white chocolate spread throughout. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you. Until then, in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of the video. There'll be links to all my social medias, the full recipe, and everything else you need to know, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.